Hey, how's it going, guys? So in today's video, we're going to be installing bed extender to this Toyota Tacoma, this 2021 Toyota Tacoma 6-foot bed. I'll be using these tools basically, Allen key, rubber mallet. I'm not quite sure if you're going to be actually using this. Scotch tape, drill, wrench, ratcheting wrench, extension, 8mm socket, as well as 10mm. Right here to take the tail lights off, which in our case we already do have it off, and 6mm drill bit. If you don't have 6mm, like in my case, I'm using 15 to 64. I'm sorry. My brother actually looked up the conversion from what could be as closest to a 6mm. Yeah, and by the way, you do need actually templates. So these templates were printed out from online. And what you want to do is you want to make sure that you put them the right ones to in the right places, basically the respective places. So this is the passenger side, that's the driver's side. They are different, so you don't want to get them mixed up. Then it's just gonna ruin your day. So you align them up. So what it is it does have these dotted lines. So what I did was I folded the paper and up to these dotted lines on each side basically, and then align it with the pillar of the bed, and then I use the Scotch tape to actually tape them nicely in place so they don't move around or whatnot. So the bottom portion you want to align it with your bed, the bottom of the bed, sides with the pillar. Same thing on the other side. And then once you align them in place, you want to tape them so they don't move around. And then the next thing we're going to be doing is actually drilling the holes in these 3 dots basically. So 3 on this one and 3 on that one. And these are the brackets that we're going to be installing for bed extender, and 6 screws all together, 3 on each side. And let me show you guys the bed extender itself. And here's the bed extender itself. In my case, we already did assemble it, but if you buy it brand new, it may not be assembled. But then again, it's pretty easy. All you gotta do is just connect these bars together and attach these brackets or the plastic brackets that actually hold them together. Please make sure everything aligned correctly before you start drilling a hole. Alright guys, so we just finished drilling these 3 holes. So let's see what we got. This is passenger side, by the way. Oh, looks pretty clean. Yeah, came up pretty nice. So just gonna Alright guys, so now we're going to be installing the brackets. So what we did was we separated these bolts from nuts. So now we make sure that the holes match. Put these through, there we go. So now from the other side, we're going to be putting those nuts. Alright guys, so now to tighten these screws, you want to have someone actually holding from a back with 8mm socket, and use the Allen key to tighten from the inside of the cap, as such. Alright guys, so we just finished installing one side. As you can see, it looks pretty neat, almost like OEM style quality, and that's from the inside. So now we're going to be doing the exact same thing with the driver's side. Alright guys, so we just finished drilling these 3 holes on the passenger driver's side. So now we're going to slowly remove the template. Ta-da! Roll. Bam! Pretty nice. Actually came up nice and neat. So just the most difficult and scary part is over. So from here on out, it's just the home stretch. Alright guys, so we're gonna try to put this in first before putting the tail lights on. And one way to know actually you're doing it right is that just look at the sticker, or the label, make sure you can actually read it so you don't put it accidentally upside down. There you go. It's locked in place. And there we go. And boom, as you can see, it's locked in. It looks pretty even to me. You guys be the judge. You can always take it off, and in order to remove it, you're just gonna have to lift this lever right here on both sides, and then it'll just release it, pops out, and then you just kind of take it off the way you just put it on. Alright, so now let's put the taillights back on, and I'll show you guys how you can use it actually in the future whenever you need to extend your bed. Alright guys, so we just finished installing this bed extender. So to use it, you're just gonna have to roll it over and put it on this side. And these straps go in here, like with this, where this latch is. And you just push it in there, nice and secure. Do the same thing on this side. And boom, it's done. So, and it won't go anywhere. And to release these actually latches, you're just gonna have to, you know, pull the tailgate handle right here. Boom, and they pop out. So, and then put them inside, and roll them like this inside. So another cool part about this, I personally, not as much as I actually need, you know, extend my bed, but what I really love about this is that whenever you don't need it, you can actually roll it inside and keep it this way. And what I love about this is let's say you did some shopping, you have a few bags or whatever, bags of groceries and whatnot. So whenever you sit them inside, they won't be, you know, rolling all over, you know, inside your bed and, you know, spread out all over the bed. So it's going to keep it nice and neat, accessible to the back of your bed. So whenever you get home, all you got to do is just pop your tailgate and just take it out. So you don't have to climb all the way inside your bed and try to get a gallon of milk or something, you know, a piece of apple somewhere on the bed. But yeah, other than that, this wraps up our video for this one. Thanks for watching. Hope you guys like this video. If you do, please give it a thumbs up and subscribe to our channel. And thanks again, and you guys have a great day.